Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log items in your backpack in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, I'm going to open up my backpack and these are the items in my backpack. Then I'm going to show you how you can log your items. So guys, we need to log our items if we want to prevent them from being removed accidentally. And for example, I'm going to log my flower, this one. You just need to click on the item that you want to log like this, and you can click on this icon. And when the item is logged, you won't be able to move it, remove it, or use it, and also sell it. Okay, let's try to hold it. But we can still hold the item, but we can't remove it. Okay, let's try to log another item. I'm going to log this item. Oops. Okay, let me close it first. Let me withdraw the flower. Okay, and then I'm going to log this item. Click on log, and I'm going to use it. As you can see that I can't use it because I've logged this item. And if you want to unlock it guys, you just need to click on the item and click on this icon and it will be unlocked. Okay guys, and that's how you can log items in backpack and Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.